types of splines: B-splines, or just splines, and style splines. I'll start by sketching a B-spline. I'll click once to define the start point for the spline, and again to define a second point. As soon as I move my cursor away, you can see that the spline curves through the point while maintaining its tangency. I can continue clicking to add as many points as I need to create the desired curvature. I can either end the spline at its start point to make a closed loop, or I can double-click or press Escape to end the spline chain. You can drag spline points or move spline handles to refine the spline shape and control tangency extents. You can also add dimensions and relations to spline points and handles for more precise control. Now, when you need to create more complex curves with smooth, continuous curvature, style splines are the way to go. The Style Spline tool can be activated from the Spline dropdown, or as I'll do here, you can right-click an existing B-spline and select Convert to Style Spline. When I do, a message appears telling me that the converted spline will only approximate the original curve. This is because the B-spline doesn't contain the curvature continuity required to create the style spline. I'll click Yes, and another message appears letting me know that any dimensions or relations associated with the spline will be removed. I'll click Yes again, and the spline updates. As you can see, the curvature is now much more consistent. Style splines are manipulated by dragging control vertices, which connect to form a control polygon or curve hull. And as there are no through points, style splines contain only one span between endpoints. Note that both through points and control vertices can be deleted or added to any existing spline. If you'd like to learn more about advanced spline options, refer to the related lesson in the I Get It, SolidWorks